Mesdames et messieurs, welcome back to another edition of Throwback Thursdays with Yuppie, where we highlight an old school Haitian artist or an old school Haitian band. And today we have Sham Band. Musique yo très belle, très classique. Bon petit temps pour tendre. Catch a vibe. Let us know what you like about the music. Ask your parents about them. Ask your grandparents about them. Share it with friends. Share it with your kids. And let us know how this music makes you feel. This song playing in the background right now is called Bills. Do you like it? Let us know. And always, don't forget to like and follow us. Bye.